All right, today I have a 2017 Kia
Optima.
I'm going to show you how to lower or lay down flat the rear seats in this particular vehicle. But before I get started, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. As you can see, the seats are up right here, but we need to lay them down flat. Some of other cars, they actually have a knob that you can pull up and lay down the seats flat. Not the case in this vehicle. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so I'm going to step out of the back seat, all right, and then I'm going to walk around to the trunk, which I already have open. And now I'm going to look down to the trunk, and do you see this right here? This right here, I'm going to have to pull this, and did you hear it click? All right, there's one on the left-hand side, and there's one on the right-hand side. Pull it, and once I pull it, I'm going to go back to the rear seat, and then I am going to get in here, and I'm just going to pull the seat forward, and look at it lay flat, and look at this one, lay flat, and look at all that cargo space. All right, and when I'm done, I'm just gonna set them back up. Make sure you don't get the seatbelts in them. Make sure they lock into place. All right, very important, make sure they lock into place. Pull it back, and that's how you put the seats back up. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.